Walmart just beat earnings, but their stock price pulled back. Amazon has just surpassed Walmart in revenue for the first time ever, and Nvidia's earnings are coming up soon on Wednesday, February 25th. And that's one that could move the entire stock market. Today, all the indices are down. The heat map is a sea of red. So let's get into our update as far as some stock market news and what it means for your portfolio. So Walmart reported their earnings just this morning. Revenue of $190.7 billion, up year over year. Earnings per share beat expectations. Their e-commerce is up 24%. They have a 30 billion share buyback and are increasing their dividends. So even with all of that, the stock price is down 1.38% because of forward guidance. They're expecting slower consumer spending, pressure on their profit margins. So they're being more cautious when it comes to their outlook for the year ahead. And when it comes to Walmart, they have been thriving. Year to date, 2026, they're up 12%. And over the last year, they're up 20%. But what they announced when it came to earnings has investors asking, is their growth going to slow down? And remember, the market cares more about tomorrow than yesterday. Okay, so now on to Amazon, which surpassed Walmart, making history for the first time ever. Amazon's revenue is at $716 billion, while Walmart's is at $713 billion. This is a big shift. And here's why that matters. Amazon is just not a retail provider. They have AWS, Amazon Web Services, advertising, Prime subscriptions. So different streams of income. These are high margin businesses that are driving faster growth for Amazon. So as we saw, Walmart is doing well. They're not losing, but Amazon is expanding, showing investors that potential of long-term growth. So when it comes to Walmart, I'm not holding any in my portfolio, but I do have a position in Amazon and Nvidia, which we're going to talk about next. On the day, Amazon is up 0.3%. Year to date, down about 11%. And over the last year, down about 10%. But I've been investing into Amazon since back in 2021, before the stock split, when it was over $3,000. And even with the struggles that Amazon is currently having, I'm still up about 35%. And as many of us probably already know, Nvidia is the world's largest company with a market cap of $4.5 trillion. Amazon is currently in fifth place at $2.1 trillion market cap, and Walmart is currently in the top 10, holding that number 10 position with $995 billion. So Nvidia is a stock that everyone is watching. Earnings right around the corner. The stock has not been exploding lately, down on the day like most of the market. Year to date, up less than 1%. Recently, the stock has been moving sideways, but here's what matters when it comes to Nvidia. They're putting a lot into their AI spending, and their investments into data centers is also moving up. Nvidia remains a leader when it comes to AI chips. I'm holding it in multiple portfolios, but my largest position, I'm up a little over 45%. As we can see, the stock price is about $188 right now. And analyst price targets for it are 265 on average and 352 on the high. So we'll have to wait and see next week when those earnings come out what their future AI spending is looking like. So Walmart is a stable retail leader. I don't have direct exposure to it. It's a top holding in my ETFs because, as we saw, that market cap is in the top 10 right now. They recently touched $1 trillion. Amazon brings growth and diversification, and Nvidia is the AI leader, the backbone when it comes to that area. So when it comes to my investing, I lean heavily on my funds. But when it comes to the individual stocks that I've incorporated, there are companies that I'm willing to hold for the long term. So I am staying on top of the earnings, future outlook, valuation, and how it's currently performing in my portfolio. And when it comes to the two companies that I am holding that we went over today, Amazon and Nvidia, they have some turning around to do, some improvement, but I'm looking forward to the continued growth, those higher price targets. And just to touch on the price targets for the other companies that we've taken a look at, Amazon, currently about $205, has an average price target of $286 and a high of $315. So a potential upside of about 40% from where they are currently. And when it comes to Walmart, analysts see an upside of about 7%, with the price targets on average about $134 and a high of $150, up from their current price of $125. So when it comes to my portfolio, I'm adding funds like FSPGX, which gives exposure to all of these top names, but I will be continuing to add to my positions as far as Amazon and Nvidia, because overall I am in the building stage when it comes to my portfolio. So let me know which of these companies you're holding, or do you stick to your mutual funds and ETFs, but like to stay in tune with the performance of these mega cap companies. I hope you enjoyed this quick stock market update. I am Lisa J. Stocks. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back so you can continue to be on this journey with me to save, invest, build wealth, and stay out of debt. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.